contemporary tutorial to How Do You Sleep by Sam Smith. I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. We're going to learn the whole thing without the music, and then I'm going to link the video for you guys to go and put it to music from one of our class videos, so you get to see that, which is pretty cool. If you do like this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next. Okay, so we start facing the right side. The video has been mirrored, so you can just follow along as you watch. So facing the right side, I'm going to lean over onto my left leg. It's going to go 1. And this is my right arm, just coming up straight line right behind my head. 1. I'm going to now take up with the left hand to hold it. 2. And I'm going to drag my right foot all the way in to meet my left. 3, 4. And my hands are just going to drop to rest on the front of my head there. Okay, so again, that went 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now the right leg, because that is up right now, there's no weight on there. You're going to rond-de-jambe it around. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was just one kind of smooth, solid moment there. So we breaking it down for you. You're going to extend onto your front 5, bring it all the way around 6. You're then going to start to let your torso go. 7. The last thing to go is your hands. 8, which are going to connect onto your right hip. Okay? Let's try that from the top. Just tie that little bit in together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. From here, I'm going to do a body roll. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaving my hands where they are. Everything stays the same. You're going to start with the chest and stretch chest out. 1, roll it back. 2, let the hips come forward. 3, drop it back. 4. All right, good job. Moving on from there, 5, 6 is our prep for a pirouette. So you're going to go 5, 6. Sorry, wrong arm. 5, 6. So your left arm is leading out in the front, right arm is to the side, like so. Okay? So we just do our body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're going to pirouette, and we're going to be turning over our left shoulder, so towards the back. 7 to land 8, okay? If you don't know how to pirouette, I'll quickly break it down. What you want to do, this is your prep, so this is where you need to lunge down. You're going to snap it up onto a releve, bringing that knee as best you can. You want tabletop position. You're going to snap those arms in, all at the same time, returning. So you can use the momentum from the snap, from the arms, to turn, tuck in your core, squeeze your belly muscles. That should help you keep balance, but if you've never done it before, don't expect much. It takes some time to practice, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're now facing the left step. I'm going to stop there. That was a lot. Let's go back from the top. Slowly, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll notice when I finish my 8, I have my beach ball and I'm pirouetted. 7, and then just kind of dropping it to my left side. 8. Now I'm going to move on. If you need to go back and rewind, do that at any time in this video. 8. We went. We're going 1, 2. And it's kind of like you're just brushing sweat off of your forehead. Your right arm is coming up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to close. 4. So again, you just landed your pirouette. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then you're going to open closed here. 5, 6, I'm just opening up into second. It's not super deep because there's not enough time realistically with the music. So just a nice little kind of prep. 5, 6, and then you're going to be going onto the right leg. This just to show you. Left leg comes around, goes up and down. Obviously that wasn't the most beautiful turn ever, but just to show you what's happening with what leg. I'm coming onto the right leg, that extends up. The left leg is the one that's coming around. Okay? The arms and all that jazz. It goes 5, 6. The arms are going to come directly up. 7, 8. And we're going to end at the front. Okay? Let's rewind again. Let's go where we just planted our pirouette. So it's 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Tying that in from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I trust you. No, you trust me. It is easier with the music, I promise. The counts just make it that tad bit slower. So 5, 6, up, 7, 8. And now we're going to move on. We're at 8. What you're going to do now is you're going to open your palms to face the ceiling, and they're going to come all the way down like so. You can let your shoulders go, you can let your chest extend. We're going to bend all the way down. So we're here, you're then going to open it, 2, and then you're going to take it down. Just 1, all the way down until you can't go anymore. Then curl the palms in, cross the arms, open up top to join the hands. Or you can have it like this, either or, okay? Again, we went 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have a lot of time for that. From there, you're going to do kind of like a little roll, like a little snake. It's going to go right, left, keeping your arms in this position. Okay? So we'll try that one more time. Let's try it from our sweat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let me just finish this 8 count, then we'll go back. You're just going to go dropping the arms again to your head. 5, 6, and then I'm going to open to the front. 7, 8, pushing away. Okay, so that just drop the arms. 5, 6, push out. 7, 8. Okay, now let's try it from the very top, tying it all in. We're actually almost done. That went by really fast, so it must be a short routine. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snake. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. All right. If you need to pause and rewind to do that a couple times, please go for it. I'm going to finish the routine right now. Okay? So, if you need to go back, we'll see you later. Everybody else, if you're still here, we went 7, 8. You're going to go 1, 2, and you want to use your right hand. That's going to kind of fold in the elbow, snake across your body. And you kind of want to have some intention behind it. So if that's moving, you don't just want to go shh, right? It's not very snake-like. You want to almost feel like something is really heavy and is pulling you over there. 7, 8. Then you're going to step across. 1. You see how I got my arms down? I'm now going to shoot them up here for 2. Okay? So my right is by my ear up at the top, left is out. So that went 1, 2. Now I'm not going to hold that forever because in the music you do actually need to hold it. So it's going to go 1, 2, hold 3, and then I think it comes in on 4, something like that. It actually is a lyric, but for practicing sake, we'll say it's 4. Okay? So we went 1, 2, 3. We're going to change 4 here. So what's happening is I'm out here, so I'm kind of turned out, so I can just bend my knee and let my toe come in to touch my other leg. My hands from here, this right hand is going to come down like I'm catching things falling from the sky. And my left arm is the opposite, okay? This might take a while to get the hang of. It's not your everyday movement, so your muscles might need a little help. So to get things like this, if you're ever stuck on anything, there's a thing called muscle memory. You just need to repeat it over and over and over again. So that might mean you need to stand for 5 minutes doing this, so your muscles can actually remember for you, making your job a lot easier when you dance, okay? So again, we just finished. I don't know where we finished. I know we're stepping though. So 1, 2, 3, hold, 3, in, 4, step, 5, unwind, 6. So my arms stay here the whole time. So I've gone up 2, 2, hold, 3, in, 4, cross, 5, unwind, 6. And then I'm just going to finish it so close. We're going to take that right foot that's in the front right now. It's going to go pushing back. 7. My left toe is flexed. And 8. So what's happening there? You're going from here, pulling your hands into your stomach, and you're doing like a little body roll. Boom, boom, ha. Ending with your face looking up. So that's it. That's the whole routine. So what we're going to do is we go really, really, really slow from the start. We'll speed things up a little bit, and then you can rewind, replay whatever you need to. I'll also have the video linked. So let's do it slow, then one a little bit faster, and then you're good to go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Close. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, so those counts got a little bit messed up at the end, but that's fine. Same tempo, not a huge deal. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster, and then you guys are ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and look. Oh, good job, guys. So now go and check out our class video. You'll be able to notice the lyrics that you're supposed to be hitting things on. I know that this, that's a lyric. You'll hear that note, you'll see us hit that so then you can put it to music by yourself. You know this now, you got it. If you did like the tutorial, make sure you hit subscribe. Hit the like button, comment, let us know what you want to see. We're all ears. And we'll see you next time.